Right folks, welcome back to the airing cupboard. Now you might remember in a previous video I did on the Eddi, I complained about this cable being a little bit awkward and didn't look quite right. That's because it isn't. Now thanks very much to Paul Bruce who commented on that video questioning around the use of a spur outlets on the run to the immersion heater. Now that actually makes a lot of sense, and I checked back in the manual and the instructions, and that's exactly what they recommend that you do. Now they don't actually make any reference to having an isolator before the Eddi, but as there's already one there, I'm not going to remove that. But what I will do is I'll add a double socket box into that location so that we can put another flex outlet next to it that then this can come out of. Now that's going to work really nicely, because one of the only problems we've ever had with the Solar Eye Boost and the Eddi is that sometimes the immersion heater trips out. Now that's probably not a problem with either the Eddi or the Solar Eye Boost, it's just probably a problem with the immersion heater in certain conditions. So we're going to do that, we're going to fit a new isolator there. That means if it ever does trip out again, we don't have to turn the whole Eddi unit off. We can just literally flip a switch, then we can work on that safely, restore the trip, and then flip it back on. So we're going to do that now. It's a really quick and easy job. Like I say, this isn't really a massive issue, but it'd just be nice to get it done as per the instructions, which I probably should have read before I did it. So let's get into that. So here's what we're going to be putting in place. We're going to be replacing the single box with this double single box. It just means that the two outlets will look nice and level when they're on the wall, and it's a little bit space efficient putting these two drywall boxes together, because you don't have to have the two clips either side. So nice little box. So there we go, it's all done. We've now got our new spur in for the immersion heater. Looks great, it's a much neater installation, and it takes away that bit that I was really disappointed about when we first installed the Eddi. So fantastic, thanks very much for the comment, and I'm much happier with this installation now. Could have been a bit quicker, but I had to nip to Screwfix to get the two identical outlets, but otherwise a very quick, simple job. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.